Hello friends, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you're all doing well and your exam preparations are going good too. In this video, we are going to discuss some preparation tips for the English section for the IBPS Clerk Examination 2018. Before we move ahead with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard by clicking on the link which is provided in the description box. So do take up a mock test, analyze your performance, take expert feedback and prepare accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. Oliveboard has got for you IBPS Clerk Cracker Course 2018, which is a free online live course. This has already started on 29th of October, and through this course we will be providing you complete preparation for all the three sections for IBPS Clerk, which is quants, reasoning and verbal. So to join the course, you can click on the link which is provided in the description box. Let's start with the preparation tips for English. So for English, it is very important to read a newspaper daily. It can be any newspaper, either the Hindu or Economic Times or Indian Express or any newspaper which is in English language. So you have to cover news which is relevant to the examination point of view or relevant to the examination point of view. So some of the important topics that are asked time and again in all banking examinations are related to the economic affairs of our country. So anything which the RBI is doing or the finance ministry is doing or any of the banks are doing, that all comes under the economic affairs. We have to have a look at them, the national and international affairs. So anything which is happening globally or nationally at a very large scale becomes very important. Sports news, we know that there are at least 2 to 3 questions being asked on sports only, the awards or some championship that is happening. So we have to have a look at the sports news and the science and technology news. So anything that gets invented or any satellite launch by ISRO or any other country launches a satellite, we need to have a knowledge about that. So determine if the news event affects Indian culture and society or not. If it does, it's relevant. So anything that affects our Indian culture and the society in general becomes very important for the examination. You need to work on your word power. For English, this is very important. You have to be familiar with the words that are used in the newspaper articles and the reading comprehension passages. As we know that various times we've seen that articles are picked up directly from the news which a newspaper is covering. So we need to be familiar. If you're reading a newspaper and you do not understand the meaning of some word, make sure that you go check the meaning of that particular word in the dictionary. This will be very helpful for you when you're solving the reading comprehension passages. So highlight the words that you do not understand, refer to the dictionary and note their meanings, and reread those articles and the comprehension passages and the new words that you've learned. So try to use those new words when you speak or interact in English so you can remember. Otherwise it gets very difficult if you just go through the meaning of a new word and do not apply it when you're speaking to someone or interacting with someone. Remembering that particular word becomes very difficult. So try and use those new words that you've learned. Be consistent with your preparation and revision also. So you have to make sure that you revise the vocabulary at least one time per day. If you continue this over a period of time, your memory will it gets enhanced and your vocabulary also gets enhanced. So make sure you're revising the vocabulary at least one time per day, and do not attempt to learn new words 1 week before the examination, because otherwise if you forget the meaning of the new words that you've learned, you may start questioning or doubting your level of preparation. So do not learn new words 1 week before the examination. But now, since we have a good number of days for the examination, start learning. Practice attempting reading comprehension passages regularly to assess your vocabulary. So, not only learning, we have to make sure that we practice, because practice is the main key to crack any examination. Some of the suggested books for English are Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi, High School Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. This is also very important. Word Power Made Simple by Norman Lewis. And what is recommended is High School Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. This is a very simple and easy book which will help you enhance your English. So, how you have to revise the English section. You can take up Oliveboard test series. So you take up a mock test as well as the topic test for English. You can learn through the video lectures and the reading materials that we provide. I'm sure you must have joined the IBPS Clerk Cracker course, and you are continuing with the practice sessions and the live sessions along with the doubt clearing sections. So all of that is what you learn. You can also take up the sectional test for English and then assess results and repeat step 3. That is, you have to learn more and more, learn from the video lectures that we are providing you as well as the reading material, and keep taking mock tests. Analyze how you're performing in every mock test. Do not repeat the same mistakes again, because if you keep repeating the same mistake again and again in the examination hall also, you'll end up making the same mistake. So learn from all the mistakes that you've done in the first mock test and then take up the second mock test, so you have a improvement, and by the time the exam comes, you're very much ready for the examination. That's all we have for you in this video. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends, and if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now to not miss any videos. Thank you.